think I'd do something that's completely different to my own name. So, Effie Squigbottom. Matilda would be my chosen one. I loved the film growing up. Had it on VHS, so proper old school. And I'd probably be a new character of Miss Honey's teaching assistant. I always wanted a teacher like Miss Honey, but I don't think I'd want to be a school child again. It would probably be somewhere in the Bay. Let's do the Red Dragon Centre. Yeah, because as you go through the Red Dragon Centre, they have the houses painted above the restaurants, so that would probably be a good place to do like a topsy-turvy world, and have like the sky on the floor with like the birds, and then have trees growing down from the ceiling. I think that would be quite Dahl-esque. I think probably the most mischievous thing I've ever done is when I was at secondary school. We used to play a game called Dead Ants. So we used to select a random word that the teacher might say, and when the teacher said it, we'd pretend that we were dead ants and fall on our desks and not wake up. Yeah. It would have to be something to do with chocolate. And peaches, considering it's right behind me. So I'd probably do like a peach mud surprise. I would probably say fun, mischievous, definitely, and colossal.